Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, in the previous class we already learned about parts of plants. Isn't it? Parts of plants. What are the parts of plant, children? Root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. These are all parts of plants. Isn't it? Okay children, today we are going to learn about uses of plants. Uses of plants. The children, plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Let me see one by one. Okay. Plants give us food. The children, most of our food comes from plants. Like fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains. These are all come from plants. Next, second one. Plants give us flowers. Flower is the beautiful part of the plants, isn't it? Why we use the flowers? We use the flowers for puja purpose and decorate our home. When we decorate our home? We decorate our home on some special occasion, isn't it? Like wedding, festival, we decorate our home with flowers and leaves, isn't it children? Okay, next, third, plants can be used to medicines. Some plants like neem, turmeric, ginger, mint, tulasi, these are all plants we use to make medicines. Got it? Next, fourth one, protect us from sun. Plants, big trees protect us from sun. Big trees give us shadow. Isn't it children? ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ನೆರಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Isn't it? Okay, next. Birds can build nests on trees. Birds can build nests on trees. Trees are home to many birds, animals and insects. Got it children? Trees provide to home to birds and insects. Got it? Okay, next. Plants give wood. Plants give wood. Wood are we use to many ways. Wood are useful to us, isn't it? Okay, children. Now we learn about little scientist portion. Okay? Little scientist. Not all stems are above the ground. Ginger and potato are stems, but they grow underground. Similarly, some roots grow above the ground, like the root of banyan tree. Some roots like the beetroot store food and water for the plants. The children, not all stems above the ground. Got it? Some stems are grow under the ground, like ginger and potato. Ginger and potato is plant's stem. It grow underground. Got it? Similarly, some roots grow above the ground, like banyan trees. Got it? ಆಲದ ಮರ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬೇರುಗಳು ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, above the ground. Got it? Some roots like the beetroot store food and water for the plants. Got it? Okay children. Now we learn the uses of plants in detail. Okay? Open this page. Food from plants. We eat different parts of plants like leaves, stem, roots, seeds, flower and fruits. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee and tea. Dried parts of some plants are used to add flavor to the food. These are called spices. Dear children, we eat different parts of plants. leaves, stem, roots, seeds, flowers and fruits. We eat leaves. Leaves like spinach, ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳು, ಮೆಂತೆ, ಹರಿವೆ, ಬಸಳೆ, ಪಾಲಕ್ ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್. Stem like potato, ginger, sugarcane. These are all stem of the plants. We use it as a food. Roots, carrot, radish, turnip. These are all roots of the plants. We use it as a food. Got it? Next, flower. Flower like cauliflower, broccoli. These are all flower of the plants. We use it as a food. And fruits. Fruits, you know it. Banana, orange, mango, apple. These are all fruits. It's very tasty and healthy also, isn't it? Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee and tea. Dear children, plants gives us food. Food means cereals and pulses. Cereals, rice, wheat, jowar. These are all cereals. We use it as a food, daily food, isn't it? And pulses. Pulses like black gram, red gram, lentils. These are all pulses. Coffee and tea. We make a coffee powder from the coffee beans. And tea. We make a tea powder from tea leaves. Got it, children? Dried plants of some plants are used to add flavor to the food. These are all called spices. We also used dried parts of some plants. These are all called spices. Like cloves, cardamom, black pepper, cinnamon, and so on. These are all called spices. These spices added flavor and taste to our food. Got it, children? Okay, next we go to oil. We get oil from the seeds of plants like mustard oil and sunflower oil. We also get oil from the fruits of plants like olive and coconut. The leaves of some plants like eucalyptus are crushed to get oil. Dear children, we get oil from the seeds. Like mustard. Mustard ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಸಿವೆ. ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯನ್ನ ಸಾಸಿವೆ ಕಾಳಿನಿಂದ ಪಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್. Say seed of sunflower. We get sunflower oil from seeds of sunflower. Got it? We also get oil from fruits of plants. We also get oil from some fruits like coconut and olive. The leaves of some plants like eucalyptus are crushed to get oil. The leaves, some oil we get from the leaves like eucalyptus. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ತೈಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ ಎಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಯುಕಲಿಪ್ಟಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಲಗಿರಿ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ wood from trees such as teak, mahogany and rosewood is used to make furniture. We make doors, windows, beds, boxes and even toys from the wood. We use wood for making windows, doors, furniture, box, bed and toys. Isn't it, children? Some trees like teak wood, rosewood, mahogany and jackfruit tree, acacia, these are all wood we used as a wood. These are all trees wood we used as making home, furniture and doors, windows. Got it? Okay, fibers. Next we go to fibers. We get fibers from plants like cotton and jute. Fibers are thin threads. We make cloth, paper and rope from the fibers. Dear children, we also get fibers from the plants. Some plants give us fibers like cotton, jute. ಕಾಟನ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಹತ್ತಿ ಮರ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ದೀಪವನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಹತ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಫೈಬರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕಾಟನ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾಟನ್ plant. And jute we used to make mat and some bags, rope. Got it? And we used to flax plant to make linen cloths. Linen cloths anta barattalla, adu flax anna plants inda ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. We get fiber, these all fibers from the plants. Got it children? Okay children, this is enough for today.